Let's select a job from the top drop-down list. We'll go back to Pug Job. And I'd like to show you some of the advanced sorting, grouping, filtering, and searching capabilities that the Call List Scheduler Grid has. Any column header that has this icon will allow you to filter. So if you click that icon, you can see that you have the choice to show items with a value that are equal to, is not equal to, starts with, contains, does not contain, or ends with. And you actually have two search boxes, so I can say and or. So for instance, if I say, let's say starts with, and I'll type SE for session, and I say filter, what happens is that we are now filtering by session. Actually, we're looking for any session that starts with SE. And I've named all my sessions session 1, 2, and 3, so it's pretty straightforward here to filter by session. Once I have that filter in place, and you can note that the icon is highlighted white here, I can now group by session by left-clicking the session header, dragging it, and dropping. And now I'm grouping by session. I'll page through here, and you'll note that you can see that we have our session 2, session 3, I'll page backwards, and we have our first session right here. I can group by multiple columns. So now that I have the session group enabled, I'm going to grab the call list header, left click, drag and drop, and now I'm grouping by sessions, then by call list. So here for session 1, you can see that I have two people currently scheduled for session 1 who were on the females 30 to 40 call list, and then I have my respondents scheduled here for session 1 who were on the males 40 to 50 call list. I'll click the arrow to go to the next page, and you can see now I'm looking at my session 2, and you can see the two different call lists I have associated with session 2 and the respondents that are currently scheduled. Same for session 3. A very powerful feature of the Call List Scheduler is the ability to quickly find a respondent, especially when you're dealing with very long lists. So to find a respondent, let's say by last name, I can click the filter icon here, and I can say, we'll say is equal to, let's say we're looking for someone named Lara, and I can say filter, and it brings up that respondent. And I can go ahead and work on this respondent as needed. After I'm done working with that respondent, I can clear the filtering by clicking the icon and clicking clear. And I'm back to my list. I can remove a single respondent from the call list by clicking the delete button. Are you sure you want to delete this record? OK, and the respondent is gone. It should also be noted that whoever is currently working on the call list, whoever's logged in, that information will be saved here under the recruiter column. This will help you keep track of who scheduled or edited a respondent on a call list. I can easily release any respondent who is on a call list but not scheduled to a session by clicking the Release Unscheduled link at the top. I select my call list. I say Release Unscheduled. Are you sure? Okay. Unscheduled respondents have been released.